Hello everyone. Have you been dreaming of studying abroad? Well, in that case, you must have heard about the English language test called IELTS or IELTS. Now, what does it stand for? IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System, which is an English language proficiency test for non-native English speakers. The test is designed by British Council and Cambridge University. Now, there are two types of IELTS. One is an academic IELTS, which is required for admission into universities in English-speaking countries, and the other is general IELTS, which is used for work-related or immigration-related purposes. Now, let's see a little bit more about the academic IELTS, the test that you as students should be preparing for. The academic IELTS has four sections: reading, listening, writing, and speaking. In each section, you have a score from 0 to 9, 0 being the lowest and 9 being the highest. And the overall score for the test is the average of the scores from each individual section. Now, obviously, IELTS is a test, so you have to prepare for it. And how do you prepare? At Venturi, we have a program suited for candidates at every level. So I recommend that we check out our website, venturi.co.in, and get in touch with us for your IELTS preparation. Thank you.